Use a screwdriver to remove the 6 tack glides on the bottom of the case piece. Place the unit near its final position, but far enough away from the wall to access the cabinet's back. Remove the temporary shipping support crossbar. Place the fridge in front of the unit. Make sure all leveling feet on the fridge are all the way down. Slide the fridge into the unit. In the back of the cabinet, you will need to pre-drill the holes where the screws will go through the 4 vertical slots. Using a number 8 1 5/8 inch Phillips self-driving screw and a 1 1/4 fender washer, fasten the refrigerator to the back of the cabinet. Plug in the refrigerator and push the whole unit flush to the wall. For the next steps, you can reference pages 46 through 48 in the True Refrigeration Install Guide. Open the drawer and peel back the rubber gasket. From the front of the drawer, use a 1/8 inch bit to drill pilot holes through the drawer front. Use a Phillips bit and remove the 2 screws on each side of the drawer box. This will allow you to remove the drawer front. Place the wooden drawer panel face down. Place the fridge front on top of it. For the top drawer, you will use the larger wooden panel. Make the bottom of the panel and drawer front flush, then center between the edges and clamp them together. For bracket mounting, use 3 number 8 1/2-inch wood screws. For the gasket mounting, use 6 number 8 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Press the rubber gasket back into place when complete, and make sure it is fully sealed. On the top of the drawer box, there is 1 screw on each side. Remove them both and the drawer box can be removed from the glides. Line up the drawer box on the drawer front and attach with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Set the drawer back into the glides and reinstall the 2 screws. Close the drawer and make sure the gasket sits flush against the fridge. Repeat for the bottom drawer. You can remove the entire drawer box and then take the front off. For the bottom drawer, you will use the smaller drawer panel and make the tops flush. For bracket mounting, use 3 number 8 1/2-inch wood screws. For the gasket mounting, use 6 number 8 1 1/4 inch wood screws. Once both drawer panels are installed, put the kick plate on the bottom of the fridge. It's magnetic. Attach the stone top using double-sided tape. Use shims to make sure the top is flush on all sides.